Naman. No, it's good for the league. I think we've earned it. You know, we have a lot of respect for Ginebra and what they do, and we know it's gonna be hard. You know, we've been there. The last 8 conferences, you know, we've been there for 6 semifinals. That's very hard to do. These guys know what it is. They're veterans as well. So, you know, we have to just focus on that last game. And, you know, it's a treat for the PBA fans because it's, I think, the first time Sir Fidel said over there the first time that it'll be out of town. So I think it's a good thing for the PBA to have it out of town.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Bong, the past games, although you were doing a decent job on defense, offensively, not as much. But this game, it's very evident how you're more aggressive. You could share with us the approach you had and somehow the change in mentality?
Wala, pasalamat muna ako kay Lord sa panalo namin. And syempre, shoutout sa wife ko. Nanonood siya ngayon dyan sa nasa labas. So, yeah. Yun nga, syempre, sobrang naglalagay din ako ng pressure sa sarili ko kasi gusto ko talaga maka-help sa team namin. So, yun lang, ang mindset ko lang, gaya ng sabi nila coach sa amin na bigay na namin lahat kasi kung matalo kami, wala na kaming viewing bukas. So ako, yun na yung ginagawa ko, bahala na. Basta ibibigay ko lahat ng makakaya ko para makatulong ako sa team kasi alam ko naman na makakatulong ako sa team. Nakikita ko naman kasi pinaghirapan ko naman din yun and nag-prepare talaga ako para dito.
Your veterans, Chris Newsome had a really great start, Alain, even CB. Gaano kalaking bagay for you and the rest of the guys seeing how they led and really showed how determined and how much they wanted to bring you guys to a Game 7?
Kagaya kanina, so kung makikita nyo, talagang nilapitan ko yung mga veterans namin, si Kuya Nu, tsaka si Kuya Alain. Sabi ko, wala na, nagkakrams na talaga ako. Sabi ko, kaya na yan. Kasi kumbaga yung game na mga ganyang situation talaga, dapat sila yung mga tumatapos eh. So, ako talaga, backup lang ako sa kanila kung anong kaya kong matulong sa kanila. Kuya Clip, grabe, di ba? Nakikipaglabanan talaga, mga bigs namin. Hirap na kami kalastan. Pero, yun nga, back to zero kami. Like, do or die na kami sa Friday, tapos one day lang yung pahinga, preparation mo. So, para sa akin talaga, kung sinong may gusto, yun yung makukuha ng panalo.
We're now ready for the questions from the media.
Fouls. Technical.
Coach, congratulations.
Naman.
Sabi mo nga sana kayo naman sa this time. Game 7, mamasyal tayo sa Biyernes. What will be the mindset of guys? Especially yung arrangement and everything.
Yeah, you know, Meralco is a proud franchise, led by all these guys in the room, led by our Coach Nenad. You know, we've been there for a while now. You know, we're used to it, but normally we're in the receiving end, di ba? Pagalingan na to. It comes to a point where we've faced Ginebra 7 times. Those 6 times, it's semis and finals. We beat them once in the quarters, but now it's, you know, it's a privilege for us, and we have to go out there and go get it. You know, and we have again, I said that right after Game 5, sinabi ko, buwan loob namin dito sa mga to. We knew it wasn't over, and we treat it that way. So, you know, it's halftime for us, and we appreciate that, we relish that. Super excited kami to be there in Batangas.
Bong, congratulations. Kanina sabi mo, you had this mentality na bahala na, bibigay mo na lahat kasi Game 6 nga. Pero for you personally, how hard was it to just, kumbaga, practice with this kind of pressure, backs against the wall? Kamusta yung preparations mo heading into this game?
Feeling ko, nakatulong yung 3 AM ka na makatulog. So, sobrang stressful talaga. So, parang ito yung para sa akin experience ko na hindi na to pang experience lang. So, di ba usually pag rookie ka, sophomore ka, gusto mo lang experience, di ba? So, ngayon talaga, gusto ko talagang manalo kasi Ginebra, parang ako sa experience ko sa Ginebra, parang 2 beses na akong pinaiyak ng Ginebra, 2 finals na eh. So, tapos ganyan na naman, sila na naman uli kalaban namin. So yung para sa akin talaga lagi ko iniisip and nag-ask ako ng guidance sa Panginoon na yan nga, kung ano yung will niya, basta gagawin ko lahat para makatulong sa team namin.
Additionally po, kanina, in the fourth quarter, parang both teams were on offensive droughts, pero you hit a big three and then you pointed to the crowd. Ano lang yung, kumbaga yung tumatakbo sa isip mo when you were running high on adrenaline, you were pointing to the crowd, gaano kasarap yung feeling?
Actually, hindi naman sa crowd din eh. Siyempre, nandun nga yung wife ko, nanonood yung wife ko. So, siyempre, sa aming mga players, alam ko naman karamihan talaga nag-adjust din yung mga asawa namin kasi kumbaga yung attitude namin sa bahay iba talaga eh. So yun nga, parang i-offer ko lang sa kanya yung game and sa family ko, tapos sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin, and shoutout kay Daryl din. So lahat ng family and fans, kumbaga treat namin sa kanila na yun nga, pag uwi namin mamaya masaya kami kahit papano, tapos bukas trabaho ulit.
Coach, si Stan Hardinger still had a good game, but in the first half, I think you limited him to only 4 points. He missed his first, I think, 5 or 6 shots. How did that help you win that game? Win this game, na si Christian didn't have the good start that he had in the previous game.
Yeah, that was huge. You know, Raymond started it out. He got some rebounds. He defended. Kahit si Brandon Bates did well with him. Cliff. Obviously, through the end of the bench, we have Kyle, we have Toto, we have Norbert. But I think it's every inch you can get from both sides. You know, we keep on stressing how much poise Ginebra has, not only on the offensive side, pati sa defense, diba? And it is what it is. So we know what we need to do. Stan Hardinger is a good player. You saw naman sa second half, he picked it up, diba? Now he has to go and prove again on Friday that they deserve to be in the finals. Again, sinabi ko, pagalingan na to, both sides. And a lot of respect to that side over there, but kami rin, I think we're capable as well. We believe in these guys. They have the poise, they have the grit. We'll be ready on Friday.
Coach, with the way you were playing the series, kasi you had a 2-1 lead, and then you almost came close to winning the last game. So, do you think yung confidence nyo ngayon to finish off Ginebra is, kumbaga, it's really on a high talaga yung, kumbaga, you like your chances better than maybe perhaps in the previous conferences?
There's not a lot both teams can do at this point. It's more a mental thing already, right? It's either you have it or you don't. And sa amin, I think we have it. Just that they have the same belief probably that they believe in their players. We believe in our players. You know, we've assembled the cast, we've drafted guys, we've nurtured them, and they're making right decisions. But you realize to beat Ginebra, it has to be hard. And rightfully so. Rightfully so. Remember at the start of this, you looked 3 weeks ago, we were dead 11th. In the league, we were like 3 and 5. So, you know, we've been through a lot of 4s. We were 1 and 3 at one point, 3 and 5. It is going to be hard, and you know we're gonna focus in, get our rest, and to really answer your question, I don't know if there's a momentum thing or anything, but we just need to zone in kung anong kailangan namin gawin, game plan wise, right? And that's what needs to be done, and not one side but both sides.